Hi, so today we will learn about how we can manage subcontractor work orders inside the on-site platform. So this is the home screen of the super admin. We can see different projects listed here. Let's go into one particular project which is called NH10 roadwork. Now we will go into the subcontractor section. Here, these are the two work orders that we have created for our different subcontractors, Raju Civil Contractor and Ravi Subcontractor. Let's create a new subcontractor work order here. So we'll click on this button, select the vendor name. Let's say Raju again is my vendor name and I'm creating a second work order. So let's say civil work order 2 I'm creating for my vendor. Now this is the work order created with zero value. Let's go into this particular work order and add some new items. So let's say my item name is brickwork and rate per unit is 40 rupees, which is the vendor rate, and estimated quantity is 1000. So we can add the HSN description or cost code here and we can save it. Let's add one more item here. Let's say tiling work and rate is 70 rupees per square feet and estimated quantity is 2000. Tiling work for whole floor. Now these are the two items added and the total work order value is 2,12,400 and there are no bills created as of now and there is no progress as of now. Now this work order we can see here, all the three work orders listed here. Now what we will do is we will go into the supervisor screen and see how the progress will be updated for the subcontractor. Once this progress is updated from the site, we can then create the work order subcontractor running bills from this platform. So let's go into the supervisor screen. So this is the mobile screen of the supervisor. And here we can see three different work orders that are created inside the platform. And let's go into the work order which we are updating. So Raju Civil Contractor, work order 2. We can see the add progress button here. Let's say the supervisor supervising the site, he adds the progress of the tiling work. He will click on the add progress button and add 100 square feet. And for the brickwork, let's say add some progress, 50 square feet. We can also add measurements if we want to. So let's say there is a progress of 15 by 15, 225 square feet in total. So we can add that. And we want to see the whole history of all the progress. We can click on the tiling work and see that the two progress is updated for tiling work. Total updated quantity is 325 square feet. Similarly, supervisor can update all the subcontractor work orders here based on the progress. And we will again go back to the laptop screen and see how we can create bills based on the progress which is updated from the site. So now once we refresh this, we will be able to see that there is some progress, 14% overall progress in this particular work order. Let's open this. Now we can see the total work done value is 29,000 and total work order value is 2,12,000. There is no bills as of now. So let's create our first bill. We will click on subcon bill. We can see that total unbilled quantity is 325 square feet, which is the progress of this tiling work, and 50 square feet for brickwork. Let's click on these two items. And next we can choose what quantity we want to bill. Let's say 300 square feet for this particular item and 40 square feet for brickwork. We can add some discount or additional charges also and click on save. Now we can see that we have created a subcontractor bill of 26,000. And if we click here, we can see that there is one bill created. We can create more bills also. Let's say after 1 month, there is some more progress and we want to create another bill. So we can again click on this, click on items, choose the remaining quantity, let's say 25 square feet. In this particular bill, let's say I only want to create the bill for tiling work. I will cross the brickwork and we can create a new bill also. Now we can see the total bill amount is 28,000 and total work done value is 29,000. If we click here, we can see both the bills here. Now, if we go to party, we can see the Raju civil contractor, all the bills which have been updated. So Raju civil contractor is working on two work orders in my project. So whatever bills are created, all are listed here. And this is the total amount to be paid to subcontractor. If we are paying any advance amount, we can click on payment out. Let's say I am paying 50,000 today. I can choose which subcontractor bill I am settling, and then I can save this. So we can see the subcontractor bills updated here also, and the payment is also updated here. And if we go to the parties section, we can see the net amount of this subcontractor. So total net amount to paid right now is 48,000. So this is all about how we can create multiple work orders for multiple subcontractors. All the items can be created here. The work progress can be updated from the site, and based on the progress, we can create the bills. And if we want to download the bills and send it to the subcontractor, we can do that and take his signature, and we can store that data inside the platform.